if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my...
Salve galera do canal esse, estamos ao vivo trazendo para vocês mais vídeos de carrinhos de controle remoto, engenharia LTDA. Se você gostar de carrinhos, de vídeos de controle remoto, de carrinhos de controle remoto, deixa o like, compartilha o vídeo, comenta no canal que nós vamos estar trazendo para vocês mais conteúdo, valeu? Nós vamos estar trazendo aqui a nossa escavadeira, ela vai estar colocando areia no nosso caminhãozinho aí e nós vamos ver o tutorial completo para vocês em primeira mão. Se você gostar, deixa seu like, compartilha e comenta para nós trazer outros vídeos aí para vocês. Vamos começar nosso vídeo.
With the evil voodoo, got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, but you keep me on. Everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
Always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my tongue. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
When I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my tongue. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
never feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats on a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
Struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
É isso aí, galera, nós estamos vendo aqui a nossa escavadeira aí, tirando areia, colocando na caçamba. Agora nós vamos ver a caçamba aí saindo com a areia, levando para o destino dela, tá? Se você gostou de vídeos assim, deixe seu like e compartilhe os vídeos. Depois eu vou estar trazendo mais tutoriais para vocês. Valeu? É isso aí. Comenta, compartilha, deixe seu like. Tamo junto no canal esse Carrinhos, trazendo vídeos de carrinhos de controle remoto.
Feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats.